What mistakes do beginning traders make most often? What makes successful traders different from the rest? How can a beginner become a profitable trader in just 5 minutes? How to make stable profits always? Hi everyone, I am Harun. On this channel I show all the most interesting things about binary options, as well as give effective strategies for trading. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Today I will tell you about the key mistakes beginners make and give you the right advice how to become a successful trader. Watch this video until the end. Let's go! So let's get started, and we're going to start with the most important thing, what kinds of mistakes they are. But at the very beginning you must understand an important idea. You will make mistakes and it's normal. The most important thing is not to repeat the same mistakes repeatedly. And so I have united all the mistakes into 3 groups: fundamental, psychological and money management mistakes. Let us now consider in detail the brightest and the most common ones. First, not knowing the basics of fundamental technical analysis. You think this knowledge is not important, but in fact it is the base without which you cannot understand the market. Second, lack of trading system or trading plan. You try to use false signals from other traders. While this may seem like an attractive and easy way to make money, in reality this approach often leads to losing money, because other traders just like you are subject to emotions, mistakes and sometimes even manipulation. That is why you should choose reliable mentors who give you knowledge and also follow a clear plan and discipline. Third, another common mistake made by novice traders is trading on either the counter pairs. This makes it difficult to predict traders as the price is outside of market conditions. Therefore, I strongly advise against starting your experience with exchange-traded currency pairs. 4. It is equally important to understand and control your emotions when trading. Emotional trading is based on reacting to past losses or success rather than analyzing data and strategy. This behavior often increases the risk of additional losses and results in loss of deposit. 5th, expecting 100% profit. You feel like you should make money immediately, here and now, and if it doesn't happen you are out of balance and in control. This mistake can only be solved by having a trading plan. And the last mistake you're making is still not subscribing to the channel and following me on Telegram. After all, by subscribing to the channel you get absolutely free access to my author's formula for success in the market, which opens up the opportunity for you to become a successful trader. So do not miss the chance, and right now subscribe to the channel and follow me all the updates to achieve financial success in the world of trading. Link in the description of this video. So now let's practice the basic rules that I talk about with you in the video today. Let me remind you once again, it's also important to know the basic fundamental of technical fundamental analysis. It is important to have a system, a trading plan that is with goals, with the details of your journey as a deal digitized. It is also important not to deal on OTC pairs, to control your emotions, but I think you already know it is very well. And also an important point, don't expect 100% profit right away, that your money should double and so on. So let's get started. And you can see that I have selected all the pairs of the stock exchange. They have different profit percentage. Yeah, I mean, there's a small one, there's a big one. It doesn't really matter when you and I are practicing some skills. I open a 1 minute time frame. I also chose classic candles. Pay attention, yeah. So we got a 2 minutes time frame and we're gonna start you off with $50. Alright, it is a good time by the way. Now we're going to open a deal on the CP3 currency. We're going to open the deal on the sell side. Why? Because what we're seeing right now is that we're at a point where we got there is an upper boundary yet, and based on the analysis we understand that there will be a bounce now. Yes, of course there could be a breakout, but it's more likely that there will be a bounce graph down here. So we can see with you that the deal went uptrend. We made $46. In fact, I didn't notice that I opened the old CRP currency pair on the OTC market, but even that worked when we apply technical analysis, but still we don't do that because it's very risky, and one of the rules says that we don't deal on OTC pairs if we want to save our deposit. So let's move on. Let's take a look at the next currency pair. So we opened the next deal on the Euro GBP currency pair. We can see with you that the chart has reached the lower value. There is still potential, of course. This line and this line. Most likely it is will bound and go up, but it is also possible that it will break this line and give out to the second line. Let's see how our deal plays out now and how much we make. Alright, our second deal is in the money, $36 for a 72% payout. I think that's a good result. We already made about $80 after all the chart I stayed after the line pushed upwards. That is, we have an uptrend and we have earned on it here. So let's move on. Immediately I rushed in very quickly and opened the currency pair Euro CCH for sale. We can see that the chart has gone down. Here you can see very well that we have now just passed and it's going to downtrend to about this line less. So see the outcome. It's possible, of course, that we still see some sideways movement here, but we also have hope that we have a downward trend, and here we can make money. So the deal went down. After all, there was a strong Taliban movement, and our task now is to cover the minus. We will do with you now open a deal for $100 and look for a suitable currency pair. So we open with you the following currency pair: USD GP VC. With you that there is a resistance line and the chart shall become downtrend now. Let's take a look. Alright, our fourth deal went into the plus side, and it's a great result. I managed to make about $70 during the trading session today. I think that's not a bad result for 10 minutes of your time. And so, let's summarize the results. Remember that trading requires constant learning, patience and practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, learn from your mistakes. Share your mistakes in the comments. See you in the next videos.